Welcome! In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. So I will be using two different things to capture. Number one will be the home screen, and another one will be Netflix, as you'll see why. In any case, once your content is open and visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold the power button and volume down at the same time. That's one of the ways you can do it. So, demonstrating it. Just press it, it captures a screenshot and then gives you the pop-up letting you know that you can actually capture a screenshot with a 3-finger swipe down. Now there's 3 different ways, so you can capture a scrollable, partial, and full screenshot. And there's the scrollable, partial, and this is just, I believe, the normal. Yeah, so we can select got it. This will only appear once, by the way. So that was one way, 3-finger swipe down. That's the second way. Now showing up Netflix. Come on. Oh, what's that? You can't capture a screenshot here because for no effing reason. I can't take a screenshot because or due to a PP restriction. Yeah, Netflix is really just coming around and flinging their PP around here, assuming we haven't even logged in, therefore we have not agreed to their terms of service, and yet they're just going around messing around with your device and limiting what you can do on it without any kind of permission, which go F yourself, Netflix, with this. Now, that being said, this feature is actually designed purposefully, just not for Netflix. It is designed for privacy and security of the user of the device. So as an example, this is primarily used for bank applications, which is a pretty adequate place to, want to have security and privacy. And it's done to basically remove any unwanted gaze from your application, or for instance, your pins or stuff like that on the bank application, as an example. And what it will do is block screenshots and screen recordings, which some applications, malware applications, could basically be running in the background without your knowledge, trying to gain access to some things like your banks, as an example. So you can imagine how that would be designed to protect your privacy, while Netflix, without even being logged in, nor you needing to agree to terms of service, is doing that because why not? They're just swinging their, as it was called, PP. So yeah. You will encounter this in some applications, not just Netflix, obviously, or bank apps. There are other applications that will utilize this. For the most part, this feature function is used by applications, for the most part, that have zero reason to use it. And it's just a function that you have no control over, nor can you change it. So yeah, hopefully with that being explained, you won't have problems, or if you do, in the future, you can just know what is happening. But with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.